Well, hello everyone, this is 8-Bit Diva. Kind of a strange first video really, because it's a bit of a test video. I can see that my clothing and everything's a little bit dark. I've gone a little bit ninja down there, but anyway, I'll try and pick something a little bit more colourful for my next video. Okay, so hopefully you've come to this video because you've panicked a little bit. You've tried to log into your WordPress site and you've come up with this alarming error. There's been a critical error on your website. Please check your site admin email inbox for instructions. Okay, I see lots of videos, first of all, saying you should go into your cPanel, you should go into other elements of your website and change the plugins and things. That's not good if you're new to WordPress and you've no idea what you're doing. So the first thing I would always do in this case, so this is just in this case, I'm not going to go into any other details apart from the first thing I would do if this is you and this has happened to you. All right, go and check your emails. Go and have a look in your spam, your junk folder. Go and see if there's an email from WordPress in there. So first of all, calm down. Your website's still there. Don't panic. It's usually a theme, a plugin that you've just changed, something's critically crashed with each other, and this is what's causing the error. So first of all, your site's still there, you're going to be able to log in, so don't panic. But go and check your email, go and have a look. So if you're getting this message that's on the screen now, first thing is, like I said, go and check the email. You should, hopefully, have an email that says something like this. And again, check your junk mail. So it's going to say WordPress has a built-in feature that detects when a plugin or theme causes a fatal error on your site and notifies you with this automated email. So I've taken some bits out of here, so I've replaced your website there, obviously, because I don't want to put someone else's websites in there, a client. So it's going to say first visit your website, this bit right here, and check your website for issues. Next, visit the page where the error was caught, your website, wplug login. This is what people do first. So first they're going to click on that, they're going to go in, they're going to say I still can't get in, they're going to panic. They've not even bothered to scroll down to the bottom of the email. So stop skimming your emails, read them, go down a little bit. God, that was a little bit like full on father, wasn't it? Go down a little bit and it's going to say if your site appears broken and you can't access your dashboard normally, WordPress now has a special recovery mode. This lets you safely log into your dashboard, investigate it further. I'm not going to say recovery mode like that ever again. So what you're going to see down the bottom is different to the links that you've got at the top. So at the top you've got your website link and you've got the WP login link, the normal link. You can't get in because there's a critical error. So you can't change the theme, you can't change the plugin from there. So look further down in your email. Now, if you've only just got this email and it's been some time since you've received this, it might not work. So you might need to go back to your website and it might send you another email. So do that just in case, because there's a token. So it only lasts a certain amount of time. So what you want to do is click on this link. And obviously I'm not going to do this because the client's website's fixed. What it's going to do, it's going to put you into recovery mode for your website. Now this saves you having to go to the cPanel, it saves you having to do anything else at this point, hopefully, where you can log in and you're going to see the basic website, the basic dashboard of WordPress. Once you're in there, you'll be able to turn off the plugins, anything new that you've just installed, try deactivating it. If you've just installed a new theme, then change to a different theme. I mean, you're going to have to kind of look at what it looks like and you might have to do some work around it. But if that's causing the problems, you're going to easily work it out. If you're not sure what the plugin is that's causing the issue, deactivate all the plugins and go in one by one and activate them and see what's causing it. If it comes up with a critical error again, you know, bang, that's the plugin that's caused the issue, or that's the theme that's caused the issue. So the first thing you need to do is just go down and have a look for that link, see if you can enter recovery mode, and then think of what you need to do after that. Anyway, like I said, this is kind of a first video on this, so like, subscribe, do all the other stuff that you'd normally do, please, to help a channel. But more than anything else, if you can't get in, leave me a message. If it's helped, leave me a message or a comment. You'll help someone else as well. More than anything, like I said, I get asked this quite often and clients panic when this message comes up if something happened. So If it's helped you, then like I said, just leave a comment down below, and if it's not, hopefully the other videos that I do might help a little bit more, and if you need to see something else, please do ask. Anyway, take care and talk to you soon.